Actor Sanjay Dutt faces a police complaint. There was ruckus in Agra after the bodyguards of Sanjay Dutt misbehaved with locals and media personnel. Local journalists, what we hear, have filed this police complaint. Sanjay Dutt later apologized personally to the journalist for the kind of ill treatment that was meted out to the journalist by his bodyguard. So he apologized, but the police complaint has already been registered. We're just awaiting more details. This incident took place in Agra. I'm going to go straight across now to India Today, Shivangi Thakur, for more on this. Can you just tell us what exactly happened?
We got the information that some media persons and cameramen were on Thursday roughed up allegedly by the security and crew member of Bhumi film. It's Umang Kumar's film, and Sanjay Dutt is playing leading role in this film. We got the information that this whole attack happened at Taj Mahal Palace near Kalakriti when the shooting for the film was going on. According to the report and information we got, that was also present at the spot, but he left after this incident. And later on, when he come to know about all this incident, he came out and he met all the media person. He apologized for the whole incident. Even the media person, they just registered a written complaint in police station. But when we had a word with police.
Just stay with me. We would just like to play the entire sequence of events for our viewers. I'll just come back to you for more details on the story. A police complaint that has been filed against Sanjay Dutt. Shivangi, but what led to the altercation? I mean, was there a fist fight, and why has the complaint been made against Sanjay Dutt if his bodyguards are the ones who behaved in an unruly fashion with the journalists?
Well, Avantika, we had a word with police officials, and they confirmed that there had information about the whole incident, the whole alleged attack, but they said that there is no case was registered at all. Okay. There is one written complaint by the local media persons, but there is no case registered as of now.
Okay, so no case has been registered, but now what? You're saying that a complaint has been filed. The actor has apologized. He has spoken to the journalist. We're seeing the visuals of the same. He's speaking to the journalists who were heckled by his bodyguards, allegedly. We're still awaiting more confirmation. But now that he has apologized, will they withdraw the complaint?
Well, we had a word with local media person, and they told us that they will think about it. As of now, there is no response from Sanjay Dutt's team, even from the media person who were there. So as of now, there is no response from Sanjay Dutt or Bhumi's team. We have to wait for more information.
Okay, Shivangi, just stay with me. We'll just play up the audio and we'll just play the entire sequence of events and see what exactly happened.
ये क्या हालत करी है? आप सही कह रहे हैं।
Okay, Sanjay Dutt, the actor there, trying to speak to the journalists, trying to pacify them and, trying to sort out the situation. We can see him in a conversation with the gentleman in a yellow shirt. Shivangi, can you just tell us when exactly did Sanjay Dutt intervene in the entire matter? When did he come out and when did he start speaking to the journalists? When did he try his best to, placate the angry journalists?
This whole incident happened on Thursday around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and the shooting was going on near Taj Mahal Palace. And in the evening, when Sanjay Dutt come to know whole incidents, and when he heard about the written complaint and everything, then in the evening he came out and he met all the journalists and he apologized for the whole incident took place in Agra.
Okay, but can you just tell us that what did the bodyguards do to the journalists?
They just pushed them, and they just told them, just go out, don't shoot anything. This whole thing is very private. Even director was there, even producer was there, but no one no one interrupted, and they only told their bouncers to attack on this media journalists who were there. So ultimately, the team was there, but they didn't react.
Okay, Shivangi, thank you so much for joining us. A complaint has been filed with the police against Sanjay Dutt and his bodyguards. The journalists complaining about their unruly behavior, their rowdy behavior. They have accused the bodyguards of misbehaving with them. We also saw the visuals of Sanjay Dutt trying to speak to the journalists. He's trying his best to placate the very angry journalists, the media persons who were present there for the shoot where Sanjay Dutt was shooting in Agra. We'll play the entire sequence of events once again before we move ahead.
ये क्या हालत करी है?